I'm Mike Barlin from MGP Caliper Covers. Today we're working on a F250 Super Duty, and this one's the XLT model, 2018, and I'm going to show you how the front caliper cover installs on this. Quite simple. Again, we're going to use the snap clip design. This is a new design we have out for 2018 with a dual stud, and the clip number for this particular part number is an SN07. So you simply put it on just above the rotor, set like this, and then press it into place, and you can hear it snap into place. It's and then you want to push it all the way to the front this way to make sure it's stopping up against the inside of the caliper. Install the bottom clip, push it all the way to the front this way. And now you have the caliper cover, and it does have a tab. This tab will be sitting right here on the caliper bracket. So the way I install it is I put engage my two studs on the bottom, go to the top, and a little bit of spread, and it'll pop right into place. And you can't push down on it, so that tab in there is stopping it from going down. And just install the 1032 nuts, torque it to 25 inch-pounds, and you have a finished caliper cover on the front of the F250. Of course, this plate is our development plate. It's not a finished plate. That's our sample plate. And this one's finished, ready to go. We'll go do the back next.